Hello and welcome to your weekly Excel tutorial with Dave. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the SUMIF functionality in Excel, where Excel will add together one range of numbers if a second range happens to meet a particular criterion, the criterion you define. Now, in this particular example, we have the question posed to us, how much do we pay for programmers? There happen to be two programmers in our sample data set, and we have the salary information right there ready to go. So let's start by typing in the SUMIF function, and as we open it, you notice there are three different arguments: range, criteria, and SUMRange. Now the range happens to be where you're looking to meet the criterion. The second argument is the criterion itself that you're going to define. And then finally, the SUMRange, which happens to hold the numbers that it adds together if the first range meets the criterion you define. So we're looking to find how much do we pay for programmers. Programmers is going to be held in the job title field. So we actually want to try that first. So we want to select the job title, programmer, CEO, sales, all of the information, and then go to the next argument by hitting comma. So the next argument should be the actual criterion that we need to find. In this case, we're looking just for programmer. So anyone who has the job title programmer is going to be considered here. The second range here is the final argument, the SUMRange. And we want to add the salary if their title happens to be programmer. So we're going to select the salary column, which is column D, and our function, and hit enter. You happen to see that the two folks that are listed as programmers both get added together. So if we were to add another programmer later and give them a salary of, say, 15, it'll add that 15 to it. If we happen to add something that says program to it and do not include programmer, it is not going to add that value. So you must note that this second argument must be typed exactly, unless you're using any kind of wildcard or other type of criterion. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or send me a message and I'll get back to you. Thank you.